Okay, welcome to my channel, Illusionist Illustrations, and my name is Myers, and today I'm going to show you how to install Wacom Intuos on your PC. Scroll down here to the file step below. Okay, now what you're going to do is make sure you have your Wacom tablet plugged in. You download drivers where you got for Mac or Windows. Double click on it after you have it downloaded. It's going to take a while for it to install once you double click on it. And it just pops up and just click yes. Accept. And yeah, for some reason this all pops up in the background. The Pintuth driver files were successfully copied. You must restart your system to complete the installment. Note, set down is not the same as restarting. So you really gotta restart your computer and then. Okay, now once you get your Wacom tablet installed, all the drivers, this pops up. It's basically just a center for your device. It's just a Wacom desktop center. So you got no updates available right now. Just the store, the marketplace, no support, backup settings. You got backups. You basically got your there's a backup settings. There, my devices. View and change tablet preferences. You have no serial number for it. You can also come down to the Windows tab, click on it, and here goes, click on expand on the Wacom tablet properties. Got the Wacom tablet desktop center, Wacom tablet preference file unit, and in there you can go in there just by clicking on that. And here you go. Here's your tablet, your utility, remove, backup, restore, remove, close. That's basically all it. And you come to Photoshop, click on new layer. You're going to choose your color, anyone. Come up to, you can come up to your brush tool. And see, you can now use the pen tool in Photoshop. Instead of using the mouse and all the click, you could take it and the harder, just like a pencil, the harder you press, the lighter you press, the more refined your strokes are. Take a little bit getting used to. But that's it. Now you can start your digital artwork with the Wacom pen tablet. Also, the 4 keys at the top of your Wacom tablet. Yeah, you got Shift, Alt, Control, and Window key. Well, thanks for watching the tutorial on how to install your Wacom tablet. And thanks for watching.